It's Wednesday. That means it's time for this week's Weather Wednesday. And once again, I'll send it over to my good friend Tavian Whitehurst.
But you're taking a look over downtown. That is perfect timing. Just saw an insane shot of lightning go over the downtown camera. That's some clip from this past Sunday when we had some of that severe weather coming through. I caught a flash during the forecast. Now, between that and this insane video of some lightning shows that happened in Iowa, I thought it'd be fitting to talk about lightning itself, how it happens and how we interpret it. So we're going to take this back to chemistry class. We've got electrons in the sky and protons here on the ground. Now, the electrons start making what's called a stepped ladder. They want to reach down into the surface, and those protons want to link up with it, okay? Opposites attract, right? Which then creates the electrical current that will eventually create the lightning flash, moving at 60,000 miles per second, and it happens repeatedly, which is how we get the flicker of light that we're actually able to recognize. Now, this happens in, of course, a literal second. Now, there are a lot of different types of lightning that we see, but the most times we are seeing lightning that happens within the same cloud, or of course going from cloud to ground, a full-on lightning strike. Now, once you include in that thunder, of course, the sound that comes along with lightning, it takes 5 seconds for that thunder to get over a mile. So if you see that lightning, you hear the thunder 5 seconds later, that means it's a mile away. You can do the math from that point on. But as you get into longer distances, that sound actually starts to dissipate, especially as you get upwards of 10 miles, which then you start to get rumors of heat lightning, which actually is not a thing. That just means you saw the lightning and the sound faded away before it got to you. Now, of course, when it comes to safety, if thunder roars, head indoors. If you see a flash, do the dash. Just make sure you're being safe and heading inside as soon as possible when there's severe weather.
Great information, Tavian. Thank you. And remember, you can text us your weather questions to 865-637-1010, and our weather team will answer as many as we can during our Weather Wednesday segments.